Hey everyone, welcome back to another video walkthrough with us 66 Property. My name is Alex and today is a very special walkthrough because this is a 360 VR video. You can pretty much scroll anywhere you want to, either with your finger on a touch screen or with your mouse, and look behind you or behind where I'm facing, or to the side. You can look up and down. Right now I'm standing nearly walking distance to Maya Mall in Jet Yacht area. Jet Yacht is right behind me, and we're going to be looking at this townhome that is for sale currently, and it's been totally gutted. Lots of walls being knocked down. It's been made much more spacious. This is a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhouse in a really cool, eclectic, retro style, industrial raw, modern loft. There's lots of words I can use here, but anyway, check it out. This is the front of it. Really cool, nice woodwork going on here, making it look very homely and modern. And let's walk inside here. Check this out. This is the driveway. You can park one vehicle here, and inside over there we have the living room, and the bedrooms are upstairs. So the land lot size here is 28 square wow, which is the same as 112 square meters. And the living area is 240 square meters over 3 stories, ground floor, first and second. All right, so as you walk in here, great vibe already. You get that loft feel right away. Let's walk inside, guys, and I will show you what it looks like. Shoes here. So as you walk in, as you can see, it's quite extreme, vibrant color schemes going on here. You got the mint green color here, and this cool telephone booth. All right, so as we walk in, we have this little entry area. Over here we have the lounge area. And over there you see the dining area. So this used to be many walls here and many bedrooms, and the owner simply just took down all the walls and turned it into this massive combined open plan living and dining area as well. All right, let's keep moving over here. Now let me remind you, you can always just look around. You don't have to look at me, you don't have to just look in one direction. Use your finger or your mouse and look around you to get a feel of this space. This new 360 technology, 66 Property is the first agency in Chiang Mai to start presenting properties with 360 video. All right, so this is the dining area over here. Like I said, you got really cool artifacts over here, and this is then the loft style kitchen island. All right, you got a gas burner over there. You do have an oven. If you look down over there, you have an oven here. And you might be wondering, what is this? Well, obviously, if you know what this is, these are lockers. And like I said, the theme here is industrial loft style. So this is all done on purpose here to make it this way. Obviously, if you buy this property, you can make it your own in any way you want. Here at the back then, we have the little green area, I like to call it, to give a little bit of a garden feel. There's a skylight over here, and nice little relaxing area if you just want to chill and get a feel of being a little bit more in a garden. And there's plants here as well. All right, let's check out the downstairs toilet. So I'm going to move this over here, and here you can see this is very spacious. Very big, lots of space here. In fact, you could probably install a shower here as well. But if you want to keep it as a guest toilet, then you just keep it like that. Bright red color here on this door. Check it out. Very nice. It has this. If you look at these small details, for example, these lights on the side, which are have this industrial raw feel, and they're all the way down here as well. All right, let's go up to the next story, the next floor, and I'll show you the first bedroom. So I'm gonna walk up here. Let's go upstairs together. So as you come here, you have these two doors. You can see it's a little bit dark here, so I hope the quality is okay. So these are two doors that can shut, so you can have separate entrances. And as you come in here, you have the lounge area right here. So this is another lounge area for the bedroom. You got a skylight over there and more windows so you can see out. Light can come in. Some nice art. And this is the big bedroom area. So as you can see here, lots of space here as well. Bed. Little couch, not couch, but like small chairs here, little set going on. And again, we're still going with this raw industrial feel right here. Then we have the big bathroom. Huge bathroom. You have a tub. You've got two rain showers here. And then sink and storage right here as well. So really, and there's so much space here that you could actually, you could even make this your own and you could change some things if you wanted to. Check this out, two rain showers right next to each other. Really cool. Lots of space here. There's air conditioners in the... Okay, I thought there was air conditioners here, but there's not. But however, if you were to install any kind of AC unit, it wouldn't be very difficult, as you would have some spaces around here where you could let out the cold air. For example, here would be quite an easy space to do it. And then you have a pipe going over there. All right, let's go upstairs, guys. All right, let's go up these stairs here. So, as you can see, this is the top floor bedroom. Another cool French windows over there letting in a lot of light. You got some seating over here as well. So because these rooms are so big like this, they can even kind of function as separate apartments. And again, we have the same massive. Check out this big red door too. Really cool. And again, we have this really big bathroom. Same style, bathtub, two rain showers, lots of space. Let me walk you over here. You can kind of see what the building at the back of the building looks like. The whole point of this 360 video is that it's like you're here looking at it yourself. So we don't try and hide anything or hide any imperfections in any property. We want you to see it so that if you like it, then you will come and then you can then you can decide how much you really like it. So we want you to be able to see as much as possible here and take a look before you decide to do a viewing. All right, guys, so location-wise, this townhouse is located just behind Maya Shopping Mall, so we're only 5 minutes from Jet Yacht area, a very popular area. This is a really great location. 5 minutes from Maya Mall, walking, or 7 minutes walking, and only 5 minutes by motorbike to Nimmanhaemin as well. So location-wise, it's really great. It's really quiet out here. While I was preparing for this, only 2 cars passed me in about 5 minutes' time. So really great spot in that sense. And if you're looking for some kind of investment property or just a really cool property to live in, then this would be okay. And it'd be a good property to have guests coming in as well because they would have their private entrances. All right, guys, thanks for watching this 360 video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Please get in touch with us if you're interested in this one or if you're interested in any other property in Chiang Mai. Check our website, 66property.com. Have a great day.